This is new X5. It just came out, and now we're gonna test all the modes, whatever new features they just came out with. And let's see.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. Cody is gay.
3. What?
Today we're gonna test this new action camera that just came out yesterday. Yeah. And I'm here with Cody. And we're gonna go do what Americans do usually on their Saturdays.
Let's go be a stereotype, shall we?
First, we'll try this new pure video mode. It's snowing. It's dark. The video should be crystal clear. Okay, what else is new?
Fucking studio. This is my car. Bad crotch.
Okay, let's try it.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at my hole. Right in my fucking nutsack.
Whoa, so much snow. Couple new things on this camera. Better battery life, wow. And the lenses are new.
It's more scratch resistant, yet even if it does get scratched, you can replace them.
Insta360 came with this new bullet time selfie stick. You can adjust the angle actually you want to record the video at. So it has 90 degrees, 65 degrees, and 75 degrees.
Wow.
Wow. We just got to replace it. Oh, God. Wow. It's hard conditions. Camera's gonna get wet. Okay, let's do it. Let's roll. Ready? What's going on, Cody? All right, check this settings. And go here, twist to shoot. Twist to shoot. It should start recording the video when you twist the selfie stick, which is kind of handy. You don't have to always push the record button. 1, 2, no. Oh, sweet. It's recording. Auto follow mode. Selfie. Yes. And now it should follow me all around. Is it following me? Yeah. Hold this. Okay, how do I shoot that?
Just like a regular pistol,
Yep.
Except for every single shot, you pull this back. Pull the hammer back. That thing. Yep, pull it back.
Dude, this thing could hurt you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
22 caliber, so it's small.
22.
It can still kill you, though.
Oh, what is this, Cody?
This is an AKV, AK-47 platform that is in 9mm caliber.
I'm gonna build a snowman for Cody so he can shoot at it. It's probably gonna take a while, dude.
And I'm
Just a little one. Oh, $5. I'm gonna make nose out of it.
no.
That's it from here.
Time to go to Brian's.
I hope you find it useful and go buy this camera. It's awesome. It's better than the previous one, obviously. See you guys.